Everyone. Thanks for joining me today online, at least in this video. Today you're going to turn your book, your benchmark book, to page 6. And we're going to be doing a story, A Woman with Vision. Vision, a synonym for vision, means sight. Remember, if I write, you write. And because this is a videotaped lesson, you can press pause if you need extra time. So, A Woman with Vision. I want you to understand there's no author's name, and I'll tell you why in just a few minutes. There's no author's name. Paragraph 1. Would you ride in a car if the driver were wearing a blindfold? No way! Please circle the exclamation point. And you notice my voice went up. That's stressing that idea. Yet years ago, drivers had no way to see through their windshield when snow and rain obscured their vision. Please highlight obscured. And think to yourself, what might that word mean? Drivers had no way to see through their windshield when snow and rain obscured their vision. It means blocked. Write down the word blocked, and you can even look at the picture, and that makes sense. Look at the man. So much snow, he's trying to just scrape away enough to be able to see to get to work. Drivers had to stop and get out. They had to clear a spot on the windshield to see through and then drive on. Please highlight the caption for this picture. Who remembers where the caption is for this picture? Israel, if you have not learned what a caption is a sentence describing the photograph or picture. Years ago, a driver had to clear the windshield by hand. Now I want you to start thinking, what invention was made to make our life easier when it comes to rain and snow? What invention was made? Okay, we're going to come over here. In 1903, so over 100 years ago, Mary Anderson was riding in a streetcar. That's like a bus. In unpleasant weather. What would unpleasant weather be? You're right. Maybe snow or rain. She noticed drivers constantly stopping to scrape and re-scrape their windshields. Circle R-E in re-scrape. R-E means again. To redo something. How hard must that have been to get to work? You would have to leave early knowing you have to stop and scrape your snow off just to get to work on time. She thought there had to be a better way. She invented a window clearing device that drivers controlled from inside their cars. Those first wipers were manual, not motorized. So she invented windshield wipers. But they were manual, which means people had to use their hands to turn doot, 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 the windshield wipers. Now, somebody improved them and made them motorized, where your family can push a button and they will stay on themselves. But they change cars and driving forever. So boys and girls, in paragraph 2, try to highlight the problem. Mary Anderson identified a problem. And remember, we said inventions are made either to solve a problem or make life easier. So, you're right. She noticed drivers constantly stopping to scrape and re-scrape their windshields. That is the problem. Then she thought there had to be a better way. So she invented a clearing device, the windshield wipers. The reason why there's no author is because look up here. This is a biography. She wrote this about herself. She wanted kids to know about her invention. And again, we have a beautiful caption. Anderson was in a streetcar like this one when she got the idea that changed driving forever. So your notes today, my friends, your notes today are the steps of an invention. You're going to push pause on the video right now. Press pause and write this down. Write these down, press pause. Steps of an invention. You can even underline it if you want. Identify a problem. Think of a solution. Design and create. And then test if it works. That's exactly what Mary Anderson did and invented the windshield wipers. All right, that's it for language arts today. You did a great job. Go ahead and finish the rest of your math lesson and whatever's on Google Classroom. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.